Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we discussed about directions. So, in today's class, we will discuss about sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement. This is a very easy topic. This is a little bit related to directions. This is a subtopic of directions. And in sitting arrangement, what we will learn? So, sitting arrangement is nothing but arranging the numbers or letters or persons in a row, circle or in a square, but according to the given statements. So it is a very easy topic, but before going to this topic, while doing directions, I said that you should perfectly read the statement and you should draw the diagram. And same in the sitting arrangement also, we should read the each statement and we should first draw the diagram. When we draw the correct diagram, we can easily find the answer. So in this sitting arrangement, there are some topics that arrangement in row, arrangement in circle, and arrangement in square. These are the three topics mainly we should learn in sitting arrangement. Firstly, row. So row means this is a row. This is north facing and this is south facing. Okay. This is east west facing and this is east facing. This is row. In row, north facing means all the persons or the letters should face north side. So while we are facing north side, the right side is this and the left is this. While we are facing south, the right is this and the left is this. Coming to the east or west, this is the top part and this is the bottom part. And here this is the top and bottom. Or if you are confusing about this, you can take as right and left. For the west, we can write like this. We can turn like this anti-clockwise or clockwise. If we will turn, take as south. If anti-clockwise if you are turning, take this as south. Clockwise if you are turning, take it as north. I am turning clockwise. If I am turning this as clockwise, this is take as west and this is right side and this is left side. So if you will confuse as top and bottom, you can take as right and left. Here for east also, I will take as clockwise. If we are taking this as clockwise, this also we should take as clockwise. So for this clockwise means south. This is right and this is left. So like this you can do the following problems. So there are few terms we will use in the row topic. So one is extreme. Extreme end. What is extreme end? Extreme end means edge points, end points. End points are called extreme ends. If that is in the right side, so this is called as extreme right end. If that is in the left side, so coming to the north, this is the extreme right end. This is the extreme left end. Coming to the south, this is the extreme right end. This is the extreme left end. Extreme end means it is the edge. The edge ending point of the row is called extreme end. If it is on right side, it is called as extreme right end. If it is in the left side, it is called as the extreme left end. So this term we will mostly use in the row topic. And immediate immediate right or left, immediate right or immediate left. So immediate means side. Immediate means side. So immediate right of A, immediate right of A means, so here A is there, A is facing north, so it is right and it is left. Immediate right of A means the side of the next place of A, the next right place of A. Immediate means the next place of that particular person. So immediate right of A means the next place of the next right place of the A. Immediate left of A means the next left place of A. So neighbor. Neighbor means what? Our side persons means neighbors. So if there are B, A and C, who are the neighbors of B? A and C are the neighbors of B. These are the terms we will use in the row topic. Next, coming to the circle. Coming to the circle, it is a center. This is facing center, facing outside. So in row, we discussed about the direction, north, south, east and west. But in circle, we will mostly use that facing center or facing outside. Only these two, facing center or facing outside. Here facing center means this is the right side and this is the left side. Facing outside means this is the right side and this is the left side. So you should think that you are at that place. So we are facing center means it is our right side and it is our left side. So while doing directions or while doing sitting arrangement, you should think that you are at that place. When you think that you are at that place, you can easily, you should imagine that you are going through that way or you are sitting in that place. So you should, when you imagine like that, you can easily identify the answer. So these two terms we will use in circle, facing center or facing outside, and here we can use the facing opposite. Facing opposite means here, for suppose it is A is facing to B means B should be like this. A is opposite, sorry, A is opposite to B means A should be like this to B. Okay, next. Okay, second left, second left, second right, this type of question. For suppose here two persons are there. Here some persons are there. C, D, E and F. So I am saying that A is second to the right of D. So what it means? A is second to the right of D. So for D, A is in the second position from right. So here D is there, second right. So this is the right position. Second right means first right, second right. So A is there. So who is sitting between F and A means E. So like these questions and like these statements, they will ask in the topic. Next. Coming to the square. In square also there is the facing center and facing outside only. And mainly in this square we will find the terms that corner and sides. So four persons are sitting at a corner and four persons are sitting in a at the side. Like this they will give the statements. So in this also they will say that the four members in the corner are facing center and the four members are at the side are facing to the outside. Or all the eight persons will are facing center or all the eight persons are facing outside. So same to the square and circle terms are the same, but here the difference is corner and side. Okay, if they did not mention that you should sit at the corner or they should sit at the side, you should take side only. If they did not mention that facing center or facing outside, you should take that facing center only. Next, another point is for the rows, they did not mention the persons are facing south or the persons are facing north, they did not mention. So you should take the basic direction is to the row is north. in the direction also, first they did not give that the person is moving 10 kilometers. They gave that the person is moving 10 kilometers. But in which direction they did not give. So we should take the basic direction as north. 10 kilometers means we should take to the basic direction north. So in sitting arrangement also, for the rows, we should take the basic direction as north. Coming to the circle and square, they did not mention that facing center or facing outside. We should take facing center only. The basic is facing center. If they particularly mention that facing center or facing outside, if outside, we should take as facing outside. Okay, keep in mind these few points. So these are about the terms used for the rows, square and circle. If they give a rhombus or pentagon, any shape, same process we should do. Either they given a pentagon or hexagon or octagon, which diagram they given, we should follow the same process. When facing center or facing outside is the same process, and the second right, second third, these are all are same. But for the row, it is some it is different. But in the square, circle, rhombus or pentagon, any diagram, the process is same to solve. So let us solve some examples regarding to the sitting arrangement. Here is the first question. 7 friends K, L, M, N, O and P are sitting in a straight line. So here they given that 7 friends. So you should draw 7 friends. 7 places. So sitting in a straight line. So they did not given that they are facing south or they are facing north. They did not given. So we should take as north. So this is right and this is left. So while doing sitting arrangement, you should take 2 or 3 assumptions. Assumptions means we should draw 2 or 3 diagrams at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the reason behind this is, if the this assumption is wrong, it is better to get the another assumption quickly. Otherwise, the time will be waste in the exam. So 7 friends K, L, M and O, P are sitting in a straight line. Okay. Only Q is between P and L. Only Q is between P and L. Between P and L, only Q is there. Between L and P, Q is there. P and L, L and P. Anyone is same. Like this, in different places, we should put these numbers. Next, K is second from the right end. K is second from the right end. From the right end, K is in the second position. Here K, okay, K is in the second right end. From the second second place, K is there. Here in the second place, K is there. Here second place is not empty. So this assumption is wrong. We should not touch that assumption. Next, 2 friends are sitting between M and O. Between M and O, there are 2 persons. Okay. Here there is no empty space. 2 persons between M and O. Here M we will put here. For O there is no place. This assumption also wrong. For suppose here M we will keep, here O. So 2 persons are there between M and O. Okay. So we need to draw another assumption. Let us draw same assumption. L, U, P, O, K, M. Okay. M is at one of the ends. M should be at one end. Here M is not at end. So this assumption also wrong. Here M is at one end. So I took another assumption. So 3 assumptions also. Which assumptions we took? 3 assumptions, that all are wrong. So another assumption I took. P is at one of the ends. Means P is at in either ends. M is at one end. P is third from the left end. P is third from the left end. From left, P is in the third position. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is correct. And is to immediate left of O. Immediate left of O. It is also correct. K is not adjacent to O. That means K adjacent means what? Side. Okay. O is not sitting at the side of K. So O is not sitting at the adjacent of K. Next. Who is sitting at the third place? From the right end. From the right end, who is at the third place? They asked. So K, L, M, and we did not keep. So here N. So from the right, who is sitting at the third place? From the right end. From the right end, who is in the third place? N is in the third place. So N is the correct. So you clearly observe that after three assumptions, the fourth assumption is correct for us. So in this sitting arrangement, we can take 3 or 4 assumptions. It is better to solve like this. Or else for one assumption you took, it is wrong. Another assumption also you took, it is wrong. So there will be time waste. At a time when you take 3 or 4 assumptions, it is easy to identify in all assumptions it is correct or wrong. So this is the correct positions. You can also check the statements again after arranging the places. Next. Six girls are sitting in a circle. In a circle, there are 6 persons. I am taking 3 assumptions. Okay. Are sitting in a circle. They did not given that they are facing center or outside. We should take as center. Okay. Sonia is sitting opposite to Radhika. Sonia is sitting opposite to Radhika. Here. Sonia is sitting opposite to Radhika. Sonia is sitting opposite to Radhika. Okay. Next. Poonam is sitting right of Radhika. Poonam is sitting right of Radhika. Right of Radhika. Poonam is sitting right of Radhika. Poonam. Right of Radhika. Poonam. But left of Deepti. What? Left of Deepti. Left of, for Deepti it is left position. Next. Maunika is sitting left of Radhika. For Radhika, Maunika is sitting left. Left side, Maunika. Okay, here left of Radhika, Maunika. Okay. Now Deepti and Kamini. Okay. Okay. Kamini is sitting right of Sonia. Kamini is sitting right of Sonia. Right of Sonia, Kamini is sitting. Here Sonia's right is Kamini. Next here Sonia's right position is not there. So it is wrong. And left to Maunika. And left to Monica, here it is okay. Here also left to Monica. These two diagrams are correct. How to know these two diagrams are correct means, here first observe that here Sonia is there. From Sonia, take the clockwise. Sonia, Deepti, Poonam, Sonia, Deepti, Poonam, Radhika, Maunika, Kamani. Okay, here where is Sonia? Here. Here also clockwise you should know. Sonia, next Deepti, Poonam, Radhika, Maunika, Kamani. So these all are same. So these two diagrams also correct. So in circle or square, we should observe that in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. So the both positions are same. So this diagram is correct. So now what we should do? We should read the question. Okay. The question is, now Deepti and Kamani, Monica and Radhika mutually exchange their positions. So what we should do here? In the place of Deepti, Kamani should sit. In the place of Deepti, Kamani should sit. Okay. Deepti, Kamani. Next, in the place of Monica, Radhika should sit. Monica, Radhika should sit. Radhika. Okay. Radhika, Monica. Okay. Okay. So who will be opposite to Sonia? Who will be opposite to Sonia? Monica. So Monica is the answer. So this is after exchanging the positions. So who is opposite to Sonia? Opposite to Sonia is Monica. So answer is Monica. So like this we should solve the circle or square problems or rectangle also. We can solve easily. So this is the sitting arrangement topic. In next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you. Good morning, Bhargav sir.